Good morning, dear students. Today we will see again this thing maths, that is addition, and today we will see addition of 5-digit numbers, though it is same with the 4-digit number. And what we have got in 4-digit number, that when we add 4-digit numbers, then it becomes sometimes 5 digits numbers also. So it depends upon the situation. Now we will see example number 1 already, which is given here in example number 1, that is 2 3 4 5 8 and 1 8 5 3 3. So we'll have to add this one. So let us start with this. So whenever we do any addition, okay, you'll have to, in means any calculation, you'll have to start from the right side, and you can do either from this side addition or from this side, okay, any of the way you can do. So what we do, normally you do from upside, you do. Why, that also I will tell you. Now let us do it. 8 plus 3 is equals 11. So 1. So 1 will come here. 1 I have written here, means from 11. Okay, 1 has come here, and this one will go to this place. Okay, this one will come to this place, like that way. So 1 I have written here, and 1 has come here. So I will add now these 3. So 5 plus 1 is equal 6, 6 plus 3 is equals 9. Okay, now nothing is there to write over here, so we will simply add this one. 5 plus 4, again it is equals 9. Then 8 plus 3, it becomes 11, like the same only. So this 1 again will come here. Okay, so if it comes here, then we will add again. 2 plus 1 is equals 3, and 3 plus 1 is equals 4. So the answer is 41991. 41991. So this is your answer. This is how actually we will have to perform all the maths, okay, in 5 digits number, or yes, like this way you have to do. So now we will see the next one. Next one we will see in example 2. We will see, okay. So in example 2, if we see, this will be example 2. Okay. We will add 3 6 4 3 6, 3 6 4 3 6, 4 5 9 7, 4 5 9 7, 1 8 0 9 9, 1 8 0 9. So we will add this one. So in the same way we will start from here only. Okay, so let us do it. So 6 plus 7 is equals 13. 13 plus 9 is equals 22. So 2 I have written here. So these 2 has come here, and these 2 I will take it here. So 2 will come here. Okay, these 2 will come here. So 2 plus 3 is equals 5. 5 plus 9 is equals 14, and 14 plus 9 is equals 23. So 3 I will write here. So 2 is remaining. 2 again will come here from 23. So 4 plus 2 is equals 6. 6 plus 5 is equals 11. So I will write here 1 from 11, because 11 plus 0 is equals 11 only. So 11. So from this 11 again 1 is there. So 1 I will write here. So 6 plus 1 is equals 7. 7 plus 4 is equals 11. 11 plus 8 is equals 9. Okay, so nothing is there to take over here. So what we will do, we will add this. 3 plus 1 is equals 4. So 4 9 1 3 2. Okay, it is 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 8 is equals 18. 18 plus 1 is equals 19. Oh, 1 will come here. Sorry, 1 will come here. So what we do is, it will be 5. 3 plus 1 is equals 4. 4 plus 1 is equals 5. So 5 9 1 3 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Fine. So see this one. So this is how actually we do the maths. Okay, now we will see the next one. So example 2 is gone. Now we will come to the exercise part. in exercise part exercise 2, number 1, I will do directly number D. Okay, 1 D I will do directly. 2 3 6 5 9 2 3 6 5 9 3 1 6 4 3 3 1 6 4 3 7 8 5 9 7 8 5 9. Okay, this is the thing that we'll have to do. So we will do the plus. So now we will, as I have said, we will start from here. So let us start. 9 plus 9 is 9 plus 3 is equals 12. 12 plus 9 is equals 21. So I will write 1 here, 1 is here, and this 2 will go here. So 5 plus 2 is equals 7. 7 plus 4 is equals 11. 11 plus 5 is equals 16. So 6 I will write here. Again 1 will come here. So 6 plus 1 is equals 7. 7 plus 6 is equals 13. 13 plus 8 is equals 21. So 1 I will write here. 2 will come here. So 3 plus 2 is equals 5. 5 plus 1 is equals 6. 6 plus 7 is equals 13. So 3 will come here. 1 will come here. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is equals 3. 3 plus 3 is equals 6. So this is your 63161 is your answer. So this is how we'll have to perform. Okay, so I have shown only number D in exercise 2. The remaining A, B, C you people do at your home. Okay, you people do at your home. Now I will directly go Now I will directly go to, not in number 2, I will go to number 3. Okay, so what is there in 3? That is, every month Parul's mother deposits some money in the bank. She deposited 12,980 in January and 15,880 in February. How much money did she deposit in the 2 months? Means, suppose if I deposit 1 rupee in the month of January and 1 rupee in the month of February. So what is the total amount that I have deposited in 2 months, in January and February? So what you need to do is, what is the amount of January and what is the amount of February that she has deposited? So like how we will do. So we will write January 12,800 and 12,980. 12,980, and in February, F-E-B, February, it is 15,880. 15,880. Fine. So now, how much money did she deposit? So here I will do January plus February equals. Now I will add as we were doing. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Then 1 will come here. So 9 plus 1 is equals 10. 10 plus 8 is equals 18. 1 will again come here. So 2 plus 1 is equals 3. 3 plus 5 it is 8. Nothing is here to carry, means to put here. So 1 plus 1 is equals 2. So 28860. 28860 is your answer. Okay, 28860. So what we will write? How much money did she deposit in 2 months? So 28860 rupees she deposited in 2 months. You can write here answer like this. Okay, so January plus February, 28860. So you'll have to write in answer 28,860 rupees she deposited in 2 months. So this is how we have to 2. Okay, now we will see number 4. Number 4 is, in a village there are 45,356 men. The number of women is 2,879 more than the number of men. More than the number of men in the sense, already 45,356 women are there and 2,879 more women are there. So how many women are there in the village? So what we do, we'll have to again add these both, okay, so that we will get that total women number in the village. So this also we will have to write. Okay, this is question number 4. So we'll have to write man, how much? 45,346. 45,356. 356. Woman equals 2879. 9 7 8 2. Here you notice one thing. This is your 5-digit number and this is your 4-digit number. So whenever you write 4-digit means lesser number. Okay, 5-digit and 4-digit. So first you write the 5-digit number. After that you write the 4-digit number. You start from this side so that it will not mingle. You start from the right side. So now let us add as we were doing. So here we can write man plus woman equals 9 plus 6 is equals 15. 5. 1 is here. 5 plus 1 is equals 6. 6 plus 7 is equals 13. Again 1 here. 3 plus 1 is equals 4. 4 plus 8 is equals 12. Again 1 will come here. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 2 is equals 8 and nothing is there. So it will be 8. So 48,235. 48,235 are the total. So we need to write here how many women are there in the village. So you need to write answer like this. 48,235 women are there in the village. Okay, so this is your answer. This is how you'll have to do. Okay, so this was number 4. Now we will see number 5. We will see number 5. What it has said? Daya attended college in Mumbai. His parents calculated that they needed 26,880 for tuition fees, 15,450 for hostel fees, and 10,800 for transport and other things. Every year, how much money do Daya's parents need in a year for days? What? Daya's college education means hostel fees, okay, tuition fees, hostel fees, and transport fees. These are all given separately. So if we know totally how much they have spent, that means what? We'll have to simply add. So let us do that one. So what we do? Tuition fee. First you write tuition fee. How much? 15,450. 15,450. No. Not 15,000. It is 26,880. 26,880. Tuition fees is 26,880. Then hostel fee is is 15,450, 450 transport fee is 10,800, 10,800. So we'll have to do, that means tuition plus hostel plus transport equals, I have written the short form here, T as tuition, H as hostel, T as transport again. So we will write here, we will do the addition. So 000 here, it is 0, 8 plus 5 is equals 13, 1 will come here, 8 plus 1 is equals 9, 9 plus 4 is equals 13, 13 plus 8 is equals 21, so 1 is here, 2 will go here, so 6 plus 2 is equals 8, 8 plus 5 is equals 13, 13 plus 0 is equals 13 only, so 3, again when 1 will come here, so 2 plus 1 is equals 3, 3 plus 1 is equals 4, 4 plus 1 is equals 5. So 53,130. So this is your answer. Okay, so what is the question? It has been asked that how much money do their parents need in a year for their college education. So you will have to write answer you can write like this also, rupees 53,130 Daya's parents need in a year for their college education. So this is the answer, and this is how you'll have to do. I suppose you have understood this thing. Okay. Fine. So let us do the next one, that is number 6. So number 6 we will see now. I'll go for number 6. So what it has given, number 6. In a town there are 34,560 men, 32,169 women and 9,876 children. So what is the population of the town? That means what? Totally you will have to know. Total in the sense you will have to add. It is simple. So let us do man. How many are 34,560? 34,560. Women are how many? 32,169. 32,169. Children. How many? 9876. So as I have said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all 5 digits number. And now 9876 is the 4 digit number. So always you write 4 digit number. When you include with 5 digits number, you start from the right side. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So that you do not mingle or you do not lose. So now I will write the short form, that is M plus W plus C. Means man as M, women as W, children as C. Okay, so now we will add. So let us see. Okay, so normally from the right side, 9 plus 6 is equals 15, 5, 1 will come here. So 6 plus 1 is equals 7, 7 plus 6 is equal 13, 13 plus 7 is equals 20. So I'll write 20 is 0 here, 2 will come here. So 5 plus 2 is equals 7, 7 plus 1 is equals 8, 8 plus 8 is equals 16. So 6 I have written here. 1 will come here. So 4 plus 1 is equals 5, 5 plus 2 is equals 7, 7 plus 9 is equals how much? It is 16 again. So 6 here, 1 will come here. So 3 plus 1 is equals 4, 4 plus 3 is equals 7. So total is 76,605. Okay, 76,605 are the total. So what is the population of the town? So in answer, you need to write 76,605 is the total population of the town. Okay, so this is how we'll have to do. So this much we will do. We will conclude this class out here only. So what you do is you practice all the things which I have given. Okay, and exercise 2, that is A, B and C, you'll have to do on your own, and do practice all the things. In the next class we will see the subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Though you people have already done subtraction of 4 digits, so we will see in the next class the subtraction of 5 digits number. So okay, I will wind up the class out here, and do prepare well, and whatever I am giving, do practice at your home in a nice manner. And if you come across or face any kind of problem, please give me a call so that I can help you out. Okay, as much as you practice, okay, that much you'll be perfect in maths. So anytime you are free to call, fine. And do take care of yourself, because this is coronavirus. It is very pandemic, and it's very serious now. Okay, have a great day ahead.